In today's video, I decided to come and teach you how to make one of the best smoothie at home which can help you to gain weight. So if you are skinny and you like to gain weight, my dear, this is the easiest way you can gain weight without stressing yourself. Trust me, you can gain weight to the right place. Bigger booty, wider hips, arms, legs. Trust me, it will help you to gain weight. So you just need different ingredients as you're going to see in this video. But before I proceed, my dear, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, to subscribe to my channel Coach Uganda, and of course to invite your friends to my YouTube channel Coach Uganda. Remember, on this channel I always upload videos for both men and women, and this video is for both. So if you want to gain weight as a man, please, you're ready to take this recipe. You too, if you're a woman, you like to increase on your weight, my dear, this is the best recipe for you. Trust me, you'll never be skinny after taking this recipe, as you're going to see in this video. So I want you to get for me one banana, okay? One banana, and make sure that your banana is ready, okay? You just need one banana, yes. But please guys, please invite your friends to my YouTube channel, of course, so that they don't miss out such amazing videos which I always upload for you, okay? Just get one banana, because some ladies, you are very skinny, but if you'd like to increase on your weight, this is the best recipe for you, okay? Just need one banana, as you see. Put it in your blender. From that, you'll get for me one piece of avocado, okay? Avocado, it doesn't matter which type, but get for me also one piece of avocado. This is amazing recipe which will help you to gain weight. Very powerful, and it doesn't have side effects. So for weight gaining, my dear, try this home recipe. So for gaining weight, you just need this home recipe. Trust me, okay? Just need some recipe, trust me. But make sure that you get avocado which is ready, as you see guys, which is ready, okay? Just avocado which is ready, as you see. This is the best smoothie which will help you to gain weight. And you like not to buy supplements because they're very expensive, but such amazing recipe, trust me, will help you to gain weight without spending a lot of money. From that, add for me white oats. They can be brown oats, but you can add white oats, okay? White oats in your blender, okay? In your blender, as you see. And then I want you to add for me yogurt, okay? It can be brown yogurt, plain yogurt, any type of yogurt, but add for me yogurt also, okay? You need yogurt, this home recipe to take place, okay? It can be buttermilk yogurt or the verse, but add for me yogurt for your home recipe to take place, okay? So add yogurt too. As you see, our smoothie is very strong. Now from that, again, add for me milk, okay? Add for me milk to your blender. Add for me milk to your blender. You will see guys the results. Lastly, I want you to add for me 2 tablespoons of natural honey to bring out good taste to our home recipe. Only 2 tablespoons of natural honey. The 2 tablespoons. This is 1 and 2. Only 2 tablespoons. And if you want to know the quantity of each ingredient, you can go to the comment section. I've wrote everything which you need for every ingredient. So you just go to the comment section, you see each quantity for each product or ingredient, guys. Okay, this is a powerful home recipe for gaining weight. So it's time to see our results. You get me? It's time to see our results. So transfer your smoothie. This is our smoothie which I have prepared, and you can see it's very amazing. Okay, so it means you just need only this one to gain weight to the right place, to gain weight without stressing yourself, without spending a lot of money. Okay, so before I proceed, please subscribe if you have never subscribed. Invite your friends to my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda, and of course leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, but what you're going to do is to be taking 1 glass before you sleep, 1 glass before you go to your bed. Trust me, you'll get to see results in 7 days. Just take 1 glass before you sleep. Trust me, you'll be shocked with the results because it works 100% and doesn't have side effects. And I told you, if you want to know the ingredients, the amount of each ingredient or the quantity of each ingredient, please go to the comment section because I've wrote everything which you need for this home recipe to take place. So visit and get to know the quantity for each product. So why not? I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye bye. I'm Coach Uganda.